more electric uke lessons. We're still at mixed jam level, so I'm only showing the clip and isolated track. If you're a beginner and would prefer I go slower, you might start with the earlier videos. I've had family ask me, why do I look so serious in my videos? I'm not trying to. I'm not trying to emulate Robert Fripp by sitting down, glaring like I'm Genghis Khan planning another purge. I'm just learning like you are, and I have to concentrate. Hopefully, as these parts become more automatic, you and I can work on becoming more theatrical or charismatic for an audience. For now, I'm using a Clearwater tenor uke, also called a Vorsen, with a compressor, octave pedal, pitch shifter, and zoom. Next up is the patch and tab, and you can screen cap them if it helps. Tune your uke and let's play.